Okay, let me show you how I made Parmesan Crusted Codfish. I'm starting with 6 full cod that I cut in half. Now you add 2 eggs. Season with a little salt, a little pepper, a little garlic powder, and a little Old Bay seasoning. Alright, mix that in well. Now set this to the side. In a separate bowl, add about a cup of breadcrumbs, a cup of Parmesan cheese, and some parsley. Mix that in. Now we're going to lay this cod out and then place the Parmesan and breadcrumb mixture over the top. Now we'll just place the mixture over the top of each fillet. Press the breadcrumbs into each fillet. Turn your fire to medium. Place 2 tablespoons of butter into the pan with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and about a half a cup of white wine. Once it has heated up, place your fillets into the pan. Now we'll set this in the oven at 375 degrees for about 30 minutes or until the crust is brown. Once you take it out of the oven, baste it a little bit and then you're ready to serve. Serve mine with a little broccoli Normandy. No carbs for me today, but you could serve this with rice or mashed potatoes. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.